Most upgrades lose you money. A major kitchen remodel, you're getting back less than 50 cents on the dollar. A bathroom gut job, same thing. But there are 6 projects exposed by the 2025 Cost vs. Value report that actually pay you back more than you spend. One of them returns 268% of a cost of just over $5,000. I went through all 28 projects across 150 markets to find the ones that exceed a 100% return, and only 6 made the cut. I'm Justin Braithwaite, a broker with over 10 years of experience. Let's get into it. Number 1, garage door replacement. You spend $4,700, but you get back $12,500, nearly triple your money, the highest return of any project in the entire report for 2 years running. Nobody's posting their garage door on Instagram, but it's up to 30% of everything a buyer sees from the street, the single largest visual element on your home's face. Buyers don't analyze your house, they feel it, and the feeling starts at the curb. Number 2, steel entry door replacement. Roughly $2,400 less than a couch, and it adds $5,200 in value. It's the cheapest project on this entire list, and the NAR Remodeling Impact Report found the same thing independently. Steel doors had the highest cost recovery of any project they tracked. Think about it. A buyer walks up to your front door before they see a single room. That door is like your home's handshake. Weak door, weak first impression. Number 3, manufactured stone veneer. Take the bottom third of your street-facing facade, usually vinyl siding, and replace it with stone. Sills, corners, address block, that's it. Cost is roughly $11,700, value added, $24,300. Stone changes the perceived quality of the entire house. Buyers see it and think higher-end construction and solidity. You spend $12,000 to move into a higher price bracket in the buyer's mind, and they pay you $24,000 extra. So we're 3 projects in, all exterior, all curb appeal. Now the last 3, this is where most homeowners get it wrong, and one of them will definitely surprise you. Number 4, fiber cement siding. This one just crossed the break-even line for the first time. In 2024, you lost some money on it. In 2025, it jumped to 114%. The cost is roughly $21,500. Fiber cement resists rot, resists termites, holds paint longer, and photographs better in listings. But here's the real reason it's on the list. Siding is the largest surface on your home. In fact, 8 of the 10 top projects in the entire report are exterior. The data keeps saying the same thing. Number 5, minor kitchen remodel. Minor means new cabinet fronts, not new cabinets, just new fronts. New hardware, updated countertops, modern cooktop. You're refreshing, not gutting. Cost roughly $28,000. This is the only interior project in the report's top 5, and here's why it works. Buyers don't pay for your taste. They pay for clean, modern, and functional. Cabinet refacing gets you there. Now take a major kitchen remodel, like a gut job, custom cabinets, and layout changes. That recoups under 50% on average. You spend $60,000, you lose $30,000. Same result in the buyer's eyes, half the money gone. Number 6, fresh interior paint. $3,000 to $8,000 for a full job depending on your market and home size. Lowest return on this list, but it still makes you money. And here's what paint actually does. It kills the number 1 objection buyers have when they walk in. It looks dated. That's it. Fresh paint signals move-in ready. Buyers don't want a project. They want to unpack boxes and live their life. You pocket a small profit and remove the single biggest reason a buyer talks themselves out of your house. So here's the bottom line. Every project on this list makes you money. If you can afford to do all 6, do all 6. If you can't, start at the top and work down. The list is ranked by return. And here's the rule the data has proven for 20 plus years. Minor and mid-range beats upscale every time. Your upgrade should match the neighborhood, not exceed it. Your budget should go to the front of the house before it ever goes inside. That's how you build equity. So now you know the 6 upgrades that make you the most money, but do you know the upgrades that lose you the most money? I broke down the top 10 worst upgrades for resale value right here. Some of these will definitely surprise you. And make sure to subscribe. I release new real estate videos like this every Friday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.